model, 2020 Fiat Ducato 35 Multijet E spares or repairs runs and drives crash damaged. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 149522. MOT, the 7th of October 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 4113 E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is below average. Rear load area is in below average condition but still usable. Features: 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2